Hi there, Tim here from Vintage and Classic. It's that time of year again. We're off to Brighton in her old car. So this is Annabel. She's a 1904 Humberette. We're about to load her into our trailer. But before we do that, we thought we'd give a quick rundown on the car, really. We thought you might be interested. You loved it last year, so we thought we'd do it again. We're going to be doing a sort of rolling commentary on the run on Sunday. Now we've got the right kit to do that, because last year, unfortunately, none of it worked. So this year, hopefully, we've got that sorted out. And we thought we'd show you now, next week, I'm going to be teaching my son Michael how to drive the car, which is going to be amazing because it's quite tricky. Now, follow me. So we have two gear levers, not one, but two. Now, one is for reverse and one is for forwards, and the gears are sequential. So you have first in one position, then neutral, and then second, then third. And you have to match the speed of the engine to the change of the gear. That's very, very tricky, particularly because, unlike a modern car, you don't have a throttle pedal like an accelerator pedal that you can push to do that. You have two levers under the steering column, which various combinations of these will reduce and decrease the engine revolutions. That's tricky. The steering is very, very precise. It's it's about half a turn, or not even from lock to lock. And if you hit a bump, God help you, because it does start to lose control. However, we have factored a lot of that out over the years, and she's not as bad as she used to be. Right, we have two pedals here, the clutch pedal and a brake pedal. Now, this brake pedal is actually on the transmission, on the prop shaft underneath the car, so it doesn't brake on the wheels. So really, that is just for emergencies. And to actually brake, we use this. This is the hand brake, and that brakes down to the shoes, effectively. Well, they're more of like a circular channel around a gear with a contracting sort of mechanism, which actually stops the car by sort of contracting and stopping the wheels revolving. And we do this, but it's a little bit unnatural because you're using your right hand to pull the thing towards you. It doesn't go, it's counterintuitive. Talking of counterintuitive, the engine on this car runs in reverse. So when we start it, we don't start it clockwise, we actually start it anti-clockwise. That's just a little quirk as well. The other thing we've got to do while we're driving down to Brighton on Sunday is put oil in the engine. Now, we have a tank here with oil in it, another one with petrol in it, but this one is all important because what that does, you open this little lever here, and I'm not going to do it right now, but you push that down, and that puts a shot of oil into the engine, which is a total loss system. So what happens is it goes through the engine and then it drops out onto the road. So not all in one go, I hasten to add, just a slow steady. So that's how we are. And petrol-wise, we use about a gallon of fuel to do 60 miles from London to Brighton, so she's very, very economical. And we're hoping to use sustained fuel, which is eco-friendly fuel, renewable, apparently, and neutral carbon. So that's another thing we're hoping to do. Right, now the other thing is, as we're driving down to Brighton, there's lots of traffic. You have to really keep your wits about you because it's very, very easy with modern cars not realising that you basically can't stop very quickly in these cars. So it's very, very important to keep your wits about you as you're driving down. Now, we start from Hyde Park in London at daybreak on Sunday, and we arrive in Madeira Drive in Brighton through the afternoon from about 11 o'clock in the morning. The faster cars will arrive. We'll hope to get down in Annabel at about 2 o'clock, maybe 1:30, and you're very welcome to come and see us. If you do come down, come and say hi. You can find the event. It's the world's longest running motoring event, and you can find that on lbvcr.com, I think it is. If not, just search London and Brighton Veteran Car Run. It's always the first Sunday in November and has been for a very, very long time. I think we're into our 110th run, something like that. So it's the world's longest running motoring event, and you can come and watch it, and it's an amazing spectacle. There's 422 of these cars, all built 1904 or before, for you to enjoy. So please come and have a look. If you see us, we're number 278. We haven't stuck the numbers on yet. Come and say hi, and we'll happily show you the car. If we're driving along, we won't be stopping. We have to get there, but we'd love to see you, so come and say hello. That's it from me for now.